Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today we're going to be looking at Birchbox drawer number 5. Okay then, behind drawer number 5 there is a Caudalie product, and it is a Vinosource, which is an SOS thirst quenching serum for dehydrated skin. So really nice product for the winter. So on the back it says you should apply morning and evening to face before moisturiser. Okay, then in here we get 10 mils, and it is just a sample size, but at full size I think it was only 30 mils that you get. I did look it up. So, and the 30 mils costs you £29. So that means you get about a third of the product. So that works out about £9.66. So, you know, a nice little price for this, really. I think perhaps a little expensive. I don't know what it does. I got it in my calendar. I didn't have to pay that price, so I'm happy with that. So this one claims to quench your skin's thirst. So I think this is going to be a nice little product for the winter months, because skin can get a little bit more dehydrated. And I think, you know, the amount we've got in here is a nice amount. Like I say, it works out £9.66, so almost £10 for this, which is a nice little price. And if it does help with the winter dry skin, then fantastic. I might actually pack this for taking to New York, which is where I'll be right now as you're watching this video. I'll be flying back, I think, or I will have landed perhaps by now. I think today's the day we come back, the day that this video will be going up, hopefully. So I think that will be a really nice treat for my skin after facing the really bad weather of New York. So I'm going to pop that in my suitcase. So guys, that's it. Like I said, these videos are only very short. I've probably mentioned that in a couple of other videos. But you know, they are just a quick little first impressions, a little bit of info about the product. So if you've liked the video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be another unboxing tomorrow of drawer number 6. And like I said, a handy little review on each of these products, just letting you know a little bit about them.